A prime number is a whole number that's greater than 1 whose only factors are 1 and itself. So for example, the first four prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, and 7. Each whole number has exactly one way that it can be written as a product of prime numbers. For example, 21 can be written as 3 times 7. And this is the unique way to write it as a product of primes. Now, when we say unique, we mean up to reordering. So 7 times 3 would be considered the same factorization as 3 times 7. A nice way to find the prime factorization of a number is using a factor tree. So let's see how this works. In this example, we're supposed to find the prime factorization of 132. Now, 132 can be written as 11 times 12. Now 11 is a prime number, so we can't take that number any farther. However, 12 can be factored as 3 times 4. 3 is a prime number, so again we can't take 3 any farther, but 4 can be factored as 2 times 2. Now 2 is a prime number, and so we've completely factored 132. Now to write the prime factorization, we'll write 132 as the product of all of the numbers that have shown up in boxes, these prime numbers. So we have 11 times 3 times 2 times 2. Now most of the time we'll write 2 times 2 using exponents, so that's going to look like 11 times 3 times 2 squared.